Upgrading your home isn't just about aesthetics, it's also a strategic investment in your property's value. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked improvements you can make is a professional door replacement. For homeowners in Ferndale, where charm meets modern suburban living, replacing your front or entry doors is a proven way to enhance curb appeal, energy efficiency, and resale potential. Why door replacement is a smart investment? When potential buyers approach your home, the front door is one of the first features they notice. A weathered, outdated, or poorly functioning door can suggest neglect, while a fresh, stylish replacement immediately communicates quality and care. But the benefits go far beyond visual appeal. According to real estate data, door replacements consistently rank among the highest return home improvement projects. In many cases, homeowners can recoup 70 to 90% of the project cost at resale. This high return on investment makes a new door one of the most cost-effective ways to increase home value in the Ferndale market. Energy efficiency and utility saving. Ferndale homeowners understand the impact of the changing Michigan seasons. Whether it's the frigid winds of winter or the humidity of summer, your front door plays a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. Older doors often suffer from air leaks, warped materials, or broken seals, allowing drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. A professional door replacement seals your home with precision, reducing energy waste and lowering utility bills. Modern materials like fiberglass, insulated steel, or energy-rated wood can help create a thermal barrier that keeps your home cozy and efficient year-round. Enhanced security and peace of mind. The new door does more than look great. It also provides improved safety for your home and family. Professional door installations include the latest advancements in lock systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials. Ferndale residents looking to improve their home's security often choose steel or solid wood doors for added strength. Reinforced strike plates and smart lock compatibility offer modern conveniences without sacrificing protection. When your door is professionally installed, you avoid the risk of gaps, misalignment, or faulty locking mechanisms that often plague DIY jobs. Boosting curb appeal in the Ferndale market. The real estate market in Ferndale thrives on a balance of classic charm and contemporary upgrades. A professional door replacement allows you to express your personal style while increasing the visual appeal of your property. Whether your home leans toward mid-century, craftsman, or colonial architecture, a new door can be customized to complement and elevate your exterior design. You can choose from a wide array of colors, finishes, hardware, and glass inserts to create a distinctive entryway that makes your home stand out, especially important if you're planning to list it on the market soon. Why professional installation matters. While it might be tempting to tackle a door replacement as a weekend DIY project, professional installation ensures long-term performance and reliability. Skilled contractors in Ferndale understand the unique structural and environmental factors that affect door longevity. They'll measure, level, and secure your door with expert care, ensuring a flawless fit and finish. Moreover, professional installations often come with warranties, giving you added protection and peace of mind for years to come. Final thoughts. if you're considering ways to increase your home's value in Ferndale, don't underestimate the power of a door replacement. It's a relatively low-cost project with a big payoff, improving curb appeal, boosting energy efficiency, enhancing security, and ultimately making a strong impression on potential buyers. Investing in a professional door replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It tells the world your home is well cared for, modernized, and ready for the future. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and efficient home, now is the perfect time to make the change.